Welcome to Epic Top 10s. Today we're exposing the dark truth about sleep that scientists never wanted you to know. Your brain has been lying to you about sleep your entire life. That 8-hour rest you think you're getting, it's actually hiding a darker truth. Scientists just uncovered something so shocking about what really happens when we sleep that it made international headlines. And the worst part, it's happening to you every single night. In fact, in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to reveal something about your sleep that will make you question everything you know about your dreams. And by fact number 1, you'll understand why this discovery has sleep researchers terrified. Number 10, the Midnight Hijack. Your brain isn't just turning off when you sleep, it's being hijacked. Every single night, your brain deliberately paralyzes your entire body. You're completely conscious, but unable to move a single muscle. Scientists thought this was normal until they discovered something disturbing. 1 in 3 people experience moments when this paralysis fails. Number 9, the Immortal Creatures. Imagine never sleeping again. Sounds impossible, right? Wrong. Scientists discovered a species of shark that never sleeps, ever. But here's the terrifying part. They found human DNA that matches these sharks. Some scientists believe we're evolving to need less sleep, but others think something far more sinister is happening. Wait until you hear what they found at fact number 3. Number 8, the Dream Watchers. In a classified study, researchers found a way to watch your dreams in real time, not just observe, but record them. They can now predict with 60% accuracy what you're dreaming about. But the other 40%, that's where they found something they weren't supposed to see, something that changes everything we know about consciousness. Number 7, the fatal countdown. If you fall asleep in under 3 minutes, you need to pay attention. This isn't a talent, it's a warning sign. Your body is sending you a desperate signal, and ignoring it could be, well, fatal. The ideal time should be between 10 to 15 minutes. Anything faster means your brain is entering a dangerous state of exhaustion. And number 6, the Silent Epidemic. A mysterious trend is sweeping across America. 25% of couples are sleeping in separate beds, and scientists are calling it a sleep divorce. But this isn't about snoring or tossing and turning. Recent studies revealed a shocking biological reason why sleeping next to someone might be damaging your brain. Number 5, the Cursed Bloodline. In Italy, there's a family with a terrifying genetic curse. They physically cannot sleep. It's called fatal familial insomnia, and once it starts, there's no cure. But geneticists just made a chilling discovery. This rare mutation might not be as rare as we thought. In fact, you might be carrying a dormant version right now. Number 4, the breaking point. 11 days and 25 minutes. That's the longest anyone has survived without sleep. The record holder experienced something that changed our understanding of human consciousness forever. What happened during those final minutes was so disturbing that the full report remains classified. But recent leaks suggest something impossible occurred, something that connects directly to fact number 1. Number 3, the evolution shock. Remember those sharks that never sleep? Here's where it gets dark. Scientists discovered that human mothers with newborns can develop the same ability. Their brains can stay partially conscious 24/7. This isn't just unusual, it's technically impossible, unless we're evolving into something else. Number 2, the dream architects. The periodic table, Google's algorithm, Tesla's innovations, all came from dreams. But here's what they don't tell you. These weren't random inspirations. Studies suggest that our sleeping brain can solve complex problems that are impossible while awake. Your mind might be capable of genius-level thinking, but only while you're unconscious. Number 1, the time slip. This is it, the discovery that changed everything. When you dream, your brain isn't just resting, it's breaking the laws of physics. A 5-minute dream can contain weeks of experiences because your brain processes information faster than scientifically possible. Recent studies found that some dreamers experienced entire lifetimes in a single night. But here's the terrifying question. What if those weren't just dreams? What if your brain is actually accessing something else entirely? Some sleep researchers are now asking, are we really sleeping, or is something else happening during those dark hours? The answer might be hidden in your own sleep patterns. Tonight, when you close your eyes, remember this. Your brain is about to do something that defies every law of nature we know. The only question is, will you remember it in the morning? If this video kept you awake, you're not alone. Hit subscribe for next week's revelation about 10 things your brain is hiding from you. And drop a comment if you've ever experienced time slipping away in your dreams. You might have encountered something that science can't explain. Sleep tight, if you still can.